Hello everybody, it's Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, and I just wanted to show you the vehicle that we're working on today. It's a Ford Explorer 2018. Let me flip the camera around and show you what we're doing. Alright, so here's the vehicle here. We went ahead and washed it, clay it, wax it, seal it. You take a look at it. Real nice color red. We also went ahead and did the inside of the vehicle too. We washed it outside, cleaned the rims, everything. Take a look at the inside. Bam. Everything's nice and clean, as you can see. Car's looking brand new again. That's the front. There's the back seat. This is a third row. Yep. Nice and clean. What's up, my man?
Do you have time to clean?
Yeah, give me 1 second. I'm just showing everybody the car we just did. You go wait right there. Let me flip these seats up. Show you guys. Underneath there. Nice and clean. Yep. This truck is pretty much done. I'm ready to go ahead and contact the customer. Let it know it's done. Yep. This was Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, showing you this Ford Explorer with just detail. Thanks.